Just about 15 minutes from town through some of the most beautiful farmland in Halifax County, a bit of heaven awaits you. A paved winding driveway leads you to a nicely landscaped, single-level, vinyl siding home on 10 acres. Step into the front door and you are home. The contemporary floor plan has the great room, with crown molding, open to the kitchen and dining room. There is a gas log fireplace, window treatments and laminate flooring, which is in the dining area, owner's suite and hallway. The kitchen is laid out for ease of cooking with a gas range, dishwasher and refrigerator, good counter space. The large owner's suite has its own full bath and generous closet space. The 2 additional bedrooms have carpet and share the hall bath. The washer and dryer convey. There is an attached 2-car garage plus a detached carport, 2012, with water and lights, to accommodate a camper, oversize boat or vehicles. The backyard is as pretty as the front. The large tier deck is designed for fun with family and friends. On-demand gas hot water heating system, and hot water heater 2016, flooring 2014, painted 2015.